Good morning, everyone. This is for the FF48 3.5 for Silver Surfer Galactus. We are going to go live. Missing a few payments, so guys, when you get the private messages, please send that over. So we're live. We've got all overtime till 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Random.org, 9 a.m. 94 items on the list. FF48. We're going to roll these 3 dice. Here we go. 13. 1. Next one takes this book home, and your winner will be Spot 46, Brandon Phillips. Spot 46, Brandon Phillips. Congratulations, man. Send me a PM. We'll get this out to you. Top name took it. Come back over to Facebook. Paste that there. There you go. 902. 902. Facebook, we're going to go 902 done. Congrats. Send me a PM. We're all done.